eyebrows is to set them in place with a clear brow gel. This one here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow.
Okay, eyebrows, and the eyebrows is so long, so I don't shade my eyebrows, so I will get the exact shape of her eyebrows. But he has a very long eyebrows, so that's why I not shade my own eyebrows, so that the length will reach here. If you look very well, you will see her length is just usually here. So when I try the eyebrows, see how she does her eyebrows. Okay, this is our highlighter. I'm using highlighter on my eyebrows, so that when I'm drawing, you will be seeing the whole thing well. So, and the next thing we're gonna do is my eye pencil. We're gonna use this eye pencil and start here. Anytime you want to carve your eyebrows, make sure you start here. You start from here and draw, draw, draw. You do it like this and curve it down. When you want to draw up, you start from here. Draw down and leave it. Now, join it together. Small. Yup. So, we're gonna okay, you leave it here like this. Now, let's move on here to this place to draw shape. Start from here. You see? So we're gonna bring our concealer. So this is my concealer. I'm gonna use this darker shade at this beginning. Use it. Easy. Easy. And you stop. You can use the lighter shade at the ending, breath here. You lift it up and down so that you will get the arc. Begin again. Use my brush and brush it. Brush, 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 brush. Mm, mm, mm. So, I think this is perfect. I think this is perfect. This is perfect. It's not too big. It's not too just like. But her own is bold. But I just want to just show you how long her axe is always looking at. You know her brows, because I think she did waxing. Yeah, she did waxing. She don't normally do eye pencil, carve her eye pencil. She did just waxing on her eyebrows, so that's what her eyebrows is looking like that. So you can't compare the waxing like the person that just drew eyebrows on her own. So we're supposed to understand. So let's shape it. Final look. This is my final look. How do you see it? Relate. How do you see it? Oh, this giving. Is this not your eyebrows? Is this not your eyebrows? Oh, 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 oh.